Mauli Pratishthan Charitable Trust Srirampur's Pride Academy and English Medium School. Gems within never hide, open them with
The station. Myself Anushka Kamre. We are from Asia.
Myself Ishwari Kale.
Myself Abhishek Yadav.
Myself Aditya Sare.
We are the student of Pride Academy wants to give presentation on non-conventional energy sources.
Renewable energy sources are called non-conventional sources of energy. These sources of energy are replenished through natural processes. Now we know that non-conventional sources of energy are renewable by nature. Can you give me some examples of renewable sources of energy?
Solar, wind, and biogas are some examples of renewable energy.
Let us now take a look at the some sources of non-conventional energy.
Solar energy, the energy of the sun. The sun is a source of heat and light energy. This energy can be trapped in and used by solar cells to produce electricity. These cells are joined together in solar panels to generate power from heating and lighting purpose. The solar energy can be used by many community lighting and traffic signals. It is also used in solar heaters, solar cookers and solar dryers in our everyday purpose. This technology of utilizing solar energy can be used by many tropical countries such as China, Australia, India, Morocco as they have sunshine in abundance. Did you know China is the largest user of solar energy in the world?
Let us now learn about wind energy. The energy of moving air and wind can be harnessed to generate power. These traditionally windmills were used to grinding grains and lifting water, but today most of the to generate electricity. This device used to convert wind energy into electricity is called a turbine. A turbine is a large structure with several spinning blades, usually three. These blades are attached to a generator that generates electricity when a wind causes blade to spin. And countries like UK, Germany, Netherlands, Spain are noted for their wind energy production.
Next we have the nuclear energy. The energy is the core or nucleus of some element. The nuclear energy is obtained from the energy stored in core or nucleus of the particles of some heavy elements like uranium and thorium. When we put these elements on reactor, the nuclei of these particles split. This splitting is also called as nuclear fission. The largest producer of nuclear power are that USA and Europe. The nuclear power stations in India are located in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka.
Next is biogas energy. The gas produced by breaking down of organic matter. When organic matter like dead plants and animal dung and cow kitchen waste are decomposed or broken by bacteria, they give out a gas called methane. Methane is a gas used for cooking, lighting and electricity generation. Production of biogas is prominent in USA, Europe, China, the Indian subcontinent and Italy. Now I will show how it works. In this there is cow dung.
Surely you should visit once our Pride Academy and English Medium School.